Today's topic is SLP price prediction, Verasity price prediction, also MTV price prediction. So in this video, I'm covering up three projects. One of the project, MTV, giving almost around a 70% profit. So I'm really excited to see this momentum. And still SLP just stay away from that position, which is almost around 180 to 190. So are we going higher, or what happened with the Verasity? Because Verasity not performing very well. So let's dive in the chart right now. So look at this chart. SLP consolidated so long. Look at over here. Every single candle, it's zipping the candle a little bit slightly higher, and it finally reached this level almost around 260. The first time it reaching this level, and another time it already reached the same level again. So look at this straight line. So basically it just again taking a little bit slightly correction. Might be why I'm saying that like this is gonna happen, because if you look at over here in a 1 day time frame, in a 1 day time frame, it's zipping the candle. It's literally zipping the candle. Somehow this is a massive and major support, because a lot of people waiting for 130, a lot of people waiting for 120, a lot of people waiting for 115. But it's a major and massive support. We just know that if the price fall, they grab a huge quantity of SLP and then pump like crazy. So this thing has happened in common in every single crypto, guys. So this is the support where I'm looking right now, because it's just dumping like crazy. Look at this massive jump, almost around a 40 cent to almost around this level. So this is going crazy. So we see slightly uptrend from this area. It need to break this resistance, which is almost around a 500 or might be a 450. If we succeed to break the 450 or even a 500, then we see a slightly uptrend and have a lot of doubt. They say that Access Infinity have one more partner that is called RON network. So basically the RON network is connecting the bridge and also connecting the SLP and Access through this bridge. This is amazing. You have to see this kind of one. So this is a major support. It need to be hold this position if it succeeds. So I am just looking another day. Another day is very good for SLP. Might be what happened. It just goes higher from this area and reaching almost around this level, almost a 450 or 490. So other question came into mind, like if this type of things happen, so Travis, when we making a tons of money, when it's going to the moon? Because it's a major question everyone asking these days to me, like Travis, you always talk about these things going to the moon, what happened? But still not showing that much potential. So I'm looking at tomorrow is good for SLP. So second point I just want to share with you guys is MultiVac. So MultiVac announcing their roadmap in Quarter1. So main thing is that they're launching the Quarter1, very fabulous. The price slightly goes higher, and this is a blockchain based project. So a lot of people say, Travis, this is a blockchain based project, so it's going higher, even more higher, right? So I'm not saying like that it's going more higher just like a Terra Luna or something like that, because XRP venture capital heavily invest in MTV. So this is the thing you have to remember. Again, it just again slightly goes down, but it's giving almost a 70% profit. So where is the support, where is the resistance? Let's talk about the MTV again. Alright, as you can see right now in the MultiVac, almost so many days it's just pumping like crazy, pumping from this support, which is almost around a 0.006 cent penny size. And now we see slightly downtrend in MultiVac, so it's just creating some swing pattern. And where is my again re-entry in a MultiVac? So I'm just buying this MultiVac again at 0.007. I know it slightly goes more down, almost around 0.006 or even a 6 or 7. In between, the price is fluctuate. So I'm just grabbing this token at exactly 0.007. That is my buying entry. I already placed this order in KuCoin. So I'm just waiting if it slightly goes down. So I'm just grabbing and make some profit, because it's falling like crazy, guys. It's just falling like crazy. If you look at over here the older history, it's reaching this level, and again it's just touching this second time. It's just touching this level. So industry, guys, anything's happened, but again, not a financial advice. I'm just sharing my personal opinion what exactly happened. So if it goes higher again and breaking this new resistance, which is almost on this level, 0.11 cent. So a very penny friction size, coin is it. So basically it need to be hold the position. If it succeed to break this resistance, then we slightly goes higher. But before breaking the resistance, it need to be fall slightly and I'm just going to grab the support area. Why I'm saying this is a massive support area, because it just pump like crazy from this area so many times, and so many times is forming a zigzag candle. Look at over here. So this is a major and massive huge quantity of support. And if you look at over here, if you look at the MultiVac supply is not that much big, like a trillions, just like a meme coin. So this coin have a slightly good potential because everything is working perfectly fine. So technology take time to upgrade it. The third coin is Verasity. So I really love Verasity, guys. I really love Verasity. Verasity is one of the best coin. I'm just looking right now because it's a 100x coin. So basically what I'm just doing right now, what exactly I'm going to buy or hold these things. So let me give you example. Verasity is a way bigger giant. It contains a gaming ecosystem. So it's a work with a proof of view. Chinese government, Chinese people love this kind of thing because they know that fraudulent activity. They're using a lot of games these days. They're using a Fortnite. They're using a lot of other games, just a PUBG. They're playing a lot of games these days. Gamer playing a lot of games like PUBGs and Fortnite. So these are the major games. So they want to stop these bots because a lot of bots, a lot of fake things happen. People using a bad technique to play games. So gamer know this kind of things, and that's why I'm just looking a slightly up. Again, it's just bouncing back from this area, and also massive and major support. It need to be stay above from the support almost around a 0.2 cent. Even it need to be stay above from the 0.24. If it succeed to hold the position, if it succeed to consolidate in between, so we see slightly uptrend in Verasity reaching almost 0.06 cent. So this is a 0.06 cent is a massive and major resistance. First of all, it need to break this resistance, which is almost around 0.6. If we succeed to break this resistance, we see slightly uptrend in Verasity. If you look at over here in a 4-hourly time frame, you clearly see what exactly I'm gonna talk about it, because it just dumping like crazy before, and it again bounced back from this support, slightly goes a little bit down because BTC falling crazy that time. So every coin showing some volatility and just dumping like crazy. So I'm just assuming, I'm just predicting this is a major and massive support. It need to be stay above from this support. If it succeed to stay above from this support, the next rally we see almost around a 6 cent, even more, and might be it creating some big rally and breaking the new all-time high and creating a new all-time high. This is what I'm just looking right now in Verasity, performing very, very well. These three tokens performing slightly good because it's a very penny size right now, frictionless. Because what exactly I'm just looking right now, I just making a money. I just making a 2x or 3x profit from these tokens. So 1x profit, I've just put these tokens for a long holding. No matter it's going dumping like crazy, no matter it's pumping crazy, I don't care about it. So I just leave only 1x profit, and rest of the 1x profit, I just remove my principal money, and the third one, I just do this trade. So same thing happened with every coin which I trade. First of all, I need to focus only these three tokens in a Quarter1. So if the Quarter1, if I'm succeed to make some money from these tokens, so I'm go for further for looking for a different one, then it's bear market just comes up and people just thinking what we need to do. So that time I'm just looking another project who make a little bit gain. Alright guys, so this is all about these three project related information. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Make sure to smash the subscribe, do some comment for YouTube algorithm. Bye bye and take care.